Hello everyone, welcome back to Not Family Adventures. I hope you're all well. So today, well, I'm actually off all week to be fair, so today I went for a walk with one of my best friends, Katie. Well, actually she's my maid of honour anyway as well, so I went for some dog walks with her, took the drone out for a bit, managed to get some footage which I'll ask her permission before I put it in here first. Today was Chris's first day at his new job, so hopefully that went well. He's on his way back now. It's currently 4 o'clock, so it's a lot earlier finish for him, and it's only half an hour drive away, so even better. Tonight we're having steaks for dinner, so I might do a little cook with me video on that. I think you've seen us cooking steak before, so I probably won't do a full on. Might just do like a this is how you do it, blah blah blah, quickly. So yeah, hopefully he gets back probably in like the next 5 minutes, I'd say, because he left half an hour ago, so he might just be stuck in the traffic near the roads and stuff, like the main roads when they finish work. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing him back. For next week I've not got too much planned other than sorting wedding bits and bobs out, decorations, and looking at honeymoon stuff for the Maldives as well. So yeah, exciting. And I've actually got some free time to actually do some stuff like cleaning the house and clearing all the drawers out and stuff, and clearing them bits because they're getting a bit messy and cluttered now as well. So should you see Daddy? See? Okay. Aww. How is work then?
Yeah, good.
Is it?
Well, a lot of training.
Yeah, there will be.
A lot of online training. I'm going to be doing more online training tonight. That's, yeah. But good. Come here. Bend down.
She's excited to see you.
Nice used to be being back so early.
I know.
I mean, I won't normally be back this early.
Oh, Mittens is there as well. Ollie, this way. Ready to go walkies? Frisbee. You want frisbee? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready to frisbee.
Fail. Come on. Don't know why she leaves it so far away. Come on. Come on. Come here. This way. You could have caught.
Wine choice tonight. Bruce, Jack, Sauvignon, Blush. I say tonight, we already started it last night. Also, how cute is this cutlery set that I got from Aldi for when my nephew and niece come over. Steak choice. Ribeye. Have I had ribeye before?
Yeah.
Oh, can't remember.
It's like the main steak we have.
Is it? I thought you usually have rump.
Nope. It's ribeye.
Salt. What else is on there?
Pepper.
Pepper. we ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1.
Very strange mood today.
Got time off, innit?
I'm going to question that.
Uno time. I just won my first game out of 1 already. Give me cuddles, give daddy cuddles for leaving. Right, good morning everyone. It's now the next day. Chris has just gone to work after taking Holly for a walk this morning. So for me, the first order of the day is to put a wash load on and sort this middle drawer out, which is what we call. It was an organised drawer when we first moved in, and I'll just show you now what it's turned into. Not good. So yeah, I'm going to spend some time sorting this out. This is before. Right, so today's been quite a busy one for me. This morning I went to see my sister and her newborn babies with my nephew and my mum. Then I went straight from there and played badminton with Chris's dad at 2 o'clock. And now I'm cooking a tuna pasta bake for myself and Chris. So it's Chris cooking because he's still working anyway. Even though he quite likes cooking, I'm like, no, let me do something for you for once. Where are we? So quite like this. I think it's probably too big, but what's the width?
Might be able to get a smaller one.
Maybe. Nice dock area. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Take a seat.
Is it comfy?
It is. It's very surprisingly comfy.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be.
It's expensive though.
It is.
You also don't need to replace the sofas yet.
No, there was someone selling them online on Hilltop the other day for free. I was like, you should have got them, you know, like, because there was recliner ones as well. Should have got them. I do want to get something for the bathroom. Do you know, downstairs?
Yeah.
Like a little canvas at the
I
back.
want it for downstairs and upstairs.
Yeah, a little canvas
I've
or
got like so
something.
much blank wall. No, it is.
Double desk, too big though. What about that's too big?
Yeah. It's too big, it'll like encompass.
Peekaboo! Trying to figure this out again. The bathroom section. Don't need any of that though. Let's have a look what we've got so far. Right, just got back from Ikea and Nando's and the shop. Picked up your suit, your dad's suit.
Yeah.
Then obviously went to Ikea, and then after that went to Nando's. So we did the flat pack thing again on the wardrobes, and we finally figured it out. We just got to order it sort of later on because we were struggling to do it actually at the computer.
We already did it for ages because I accidentally deleted our design.
Yeah, once we got the design, Chris then pressed the back arrow and then it deleted the whole thing without us saving it before, like sending it through on the email. So then we had to start again, but it's fine, we soon sorted that one out. So now I've actually got all the details on Outlook, so on the Outlook email, so I can just literally click on it and it's there to order it. But a few bits we got from Ikea, we'll just show you. Starting off with this bath mat. Grey to match the towels that we've got in upstairs. That was £8. I think it was. Yep, £8 for that one. And then this doggy hangout, that's not for me, that's for my friend's dog walking business. And then ice cream scoop, because I struggle. I think this is so good. This was in the £3 section, less than £3 section. Gotta love that section. What was that? That was £2.50. Then we got these ice cream cone things here. I've seen these on TikTok, where basically you take them out and fill them up with like doggy treats and stuff and freeze them, and then the dogs can have them. Obviously with you holding the stick bit so they don't swallow that. If your dog's likely to do stuff like that, which ours isn't. She isn't. And then we also got these bars here to sit in the windowsill. That was, I should remember. It was only like a half an hour ago we were there. Oh yeah, £1.50, that's a bargain. Then we've got 2 of these latte glasses. They were...
I think they were £2 each.
Yeah, £2 each.
Damn good.
This plant pot for my orchid in the windowsill. This was £5, I think, from memory.
Yeah, something like that.
So that can go into there. Finally, we got this heat. I don't even know what you call them. Heat resistant mat things to put the saucepan on. Whoever needs to move it. So it protects your worktops. But that's pretty much it. Well, everything we got.
We were looking for.
Yeah,
but...
we did find some TV units, things that we like the look of. Not actually, that's not what we went in for, but you know, ideas pop into your head when you see things like that. But yeah, pretty much the wardrobe is pretty much set in stone now.
It's a dangerous place, IKEA.
We also looked at some desks, but right now we just need to sort that spare room. That's too much crap in there.
We need to get the wardrobe first so we can sort the spare room out.
Exactly. So yeah, but hey ho, successful shopping trip for once. And we didn't spend too much money in the shop. In the shop.
Yeah.
In the shop. We'll be spending money at home later. Yeah. We're also going out to the pub tonight with a few mates, aren't we? Mm. So that should be fun. Spending more money. Yep. But hey ho.
It's alright. Save a load of money with not driving as much now.
That's true. Also quite busy in Nando's, so I didn't get any of that, but I had the plainish half chicken. Don't judge, I can't do spice.
Judge.
With chips and coleslaw, and you had the butterfly.
I had the butterfly burger, I think it was called.
So yeah, we had to wait 20 minutes for a table, but that's fine, didn't bother us.
Just had a look at nets.
Ikea was fairly busy, so I didn't get too much footage in there either, but I think every time we go to Ikea it's probably rammed.
We were going to get some food from the canteen.
We were, yes.
And then it looked like absolute chaos. We decided not to.
Oh, 1 minute, Tatty's ringing me. Right, sorry to cut that video clip short there. Someone was just ringing me from work, so I just had to answer that quickly. But yeah, obviously, like I was saying before, in regards to Nando's, it was far too busy in there to record. So I had the half chicken and Chris had like the burger. It was very nice, and then we came home and then we went to the pub and got back fairly early, to be fair. I think it was like 11 o'clock at night. But it's now the next day and I'm gonna cut the video here. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you could give me a thumbs up, a like button, and also subscribe to the channel below, that would be much appreciated. I've now hit 500 subscribers, guys, as well, so I'm halfway there. I never thought in a million years I'd ever hit 500 subscribers, so thank you ever so much to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. And also shout out to Jake at work and also Jess at work. You're amazing colleagues and I absolutely love working with you. Something very exciting coming soon though in regards to Davidson's and the event that I'm going to soon, so can't wait to get some video clips of that. But for now, we are not family adventures, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.